Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Hey, Gary. Welcome, Gary. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Let's see here. All right. We had increased volatility today in forex. Not a great deal of volatility, but increased volatility from yesterday. All right. So a little improvement. Um, Before we go into Forex, Bitcoin, guys, look at Bitcoin right here. All right. Looking to break the all-time highs. Now it's at 70,000. All right. It has stayed above 64,000. Right. That's the number we need to stay above here. 64,000 is what we need to stay above. All right. To keep sellers away. All right. So currently trading at 70,000. We need to get to about 73,000 and change close to 74. All right. To make new highs. So this resistance line here is where we need to pass. All right. Get past. So a good price action buy signal was here. All right. So we had two big buy signals. First one was at 28,000. Right. Sold at 40. Next buy signal was at 49,000, currently at 70,000. And looks like we could break that resistance, guys. All right. So we had a pullback, held support right here. And now this is how close we are, all right, to the all-time highs. And you guys know Bitcoin will move quickly. All right. So one more push, we could break the all-time highs on Bitcoin and keep moving. Litecoin, buy signal here. All right, trading up nicely. All right. Bitcoin Cash. All right, buy signal here all the way down here at 264, trading at 578. And then Ethereum. All right, Ethereum looks much like Bitcoin. Buy signal here. All right, bit of a pullback and holding firm right here. Hey, Taj, welcome, Taj, welcome. All right. Now, Ethereum has a bit to go to get to the all-time highs. All right, all-time highs on Ethereum is all the way up here. All right, so keep an eye on Bitcoin the next few days. All right, so what we're looking for is a break. Again, it's held 64,000, trading at 70. Now the goal is to get past resistance here at about 73 and change. All right, so great move, great price action in Bitcoin. And as you guys know, your other cryptocurrencies will move with Bitcoin. We can use Bitcoin as a barometer, all right, for crypto. All right, current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, long positions, guys, long positions. Now we trade in the dollar pairs, and we are hoping to get a buy signal on the dollar index. All right, so here's the dollar. All right, so pay attention to the dollar index. Here we are breaking resistance here on the dollar index. Currently, it's up. All we need is a buy signal. All right, so we just need to break a bit more higher past resistance and get us a buy signal on the dollar index. Okay, so as we go through the dollar pairs, keep that in mind. All right, the dollar pairs will follow the index, dollar index, not the other way around. All right, so EUR NZD buy signal here on a break of resistance, and we do have a move in the New Zealand or Kiwi pairs. All right, buy signal here. All right, got past sellers here, resistance, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Here's your markdown phase. First trade here, bought here, sold here. Second trade, bought here, holding firm here. That's Euro New Zealand. All right, next trade, Pound New Zealand, same thing. Bought on a break of resistance here. All right, markdown phase, first buy signal here, sold here, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, Pound New Zealand. All right, Aussie New Zealand. Look at this trade here, guys, with Aussie New Zealand. What a great trade here. Tons of pips here. All right. Here's your markdown phase. Now, this trade here lasted from the beginning. All right. So, buy signal here, continuing to hold, right? Broke resistance here, broke a second resistance here. All right. Purple support and resistance. Just keep that in mind. But trading up nicely, nice price action, nice trade right here. All right. Oz in New Zealand. Dollar yen. All right. Dollar yen buy signal here, holding firm right here. Now, dollar yen is tricky. You guys have heard me say this before. All right. So, dollar yen buy signal here, moving up nicely. Now, we're getting some pressure on the yen pairs, right, to go lower. Right, but the dollar index is moving higher. So you guys might find where the dollar yen is just consolidating. All right, so no real direction because of the pressure of the yen pairs. All right, and upside of the dollar. All right, USD HUF. All right, holding right here. Buy signal here needs to break out. All right, this needs to break out. USD HUF. USD DKK buy signal here, heading up nicely to a resistance here. This is where sellers are sitting right here. USD CZK, right, buy signal here, right, looking to break out. As the dollar moves higher, this should break out. Dollar CAD, all right, dollar CAD, close that trade, please. All right, buy signal was here. Broke support, red candle, sell signal right here, white arrow. So close that trade, please. Dollar cat. We will look for new opportunities this evening in both in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. All right, USD CZK buy signal here, holding firm, needs to break out. All right, needs to break through resistance right here. Let's bring this down right here. Okay, that's USD CZK. USD SGD. All right, buy signal here, breaking out. We do have purple support and resistance. All right. So keep an eye on that. But if the dollar index can give us a buy signal, it can should continue to move higher. All right. So those are the long positions. We did miss a few dollar long positions. We'll go through those when we take a look at Monster Scalper. Okay. Short positions. Swiss yen short. All right, Swiss yen short in Monster Scalper. Sell short signal is here, guys. We're hoping to break support down here, stay below, and continue to move lower in the markdown phase. Buyers came in here, white candles here. I would say sell short signal was here. Keep an eye on it. Anyone is trading it, we need sellers to come back in. Okay, so we need red candles to come in, kind of like they did here and here. All right, get a green candle, close that trade. All right, you might not want to wait on a green candle. All right, so we'll hold it for now, but if you're in it, really keep an eye on that position there. All right. The next one is dollar, New Zealand dollar. That's the inverse of the dollar. All right. So NZD, USD, sell short signal is here and holding firm so far. Support is right here. All right. So broke support right here, right about here, right about in this area here. Broke support, sell short signal is here, holding firm. All right. I think we've got some new shorts in the yen pairs also. We'll take a look at those, add in new shorts, Monster Scalper. Forex Dominator. So long positions. First one, EURTRY, still holding firm. All right. So EURTRY, buy signal is here, all the way down here, guys. Looking to break through resistance here. All right. So good trade going here. Look at this. We've been holding on this trade since October, guys. October of last year. Big trade. All right. And I know this is a long time, but what you can do with these types of trades is just keep adding, keep scaling up. All right. Keep scaling up. All right. Scale up at your moving average here or at on a break of resistance. Okay, you can keep just adding, adding, adding. Long trade here. Okay, USD TRY, same thing. And as the dollar index moves higher, right, USD TRY should break out. Okay, buy signal is here, and look at that. Good price action came in today, holding firm. Okay, all right. Aussie Swiss, we do have some movement in the Swiss pairs. All right. So Aussie Swiss buy signal here, broke the resistance. All right. Next resistance all the way up here. All right. But sellers are sitting here. Okay. So be aware of that. So here and here, it's going to get past this whole area here. Next target up here. Aussie Swiss. Euro Swiss, great trade going here. Buy signal here, guys. Broke resistance. Look at that. Got past sellers here, trading up nicely. All right. The next goal is to get to this resistance up here. If it can get past this resistance here, sellers here. Next target all the way up here. Great trade, guys. All green candles. All right. Higher lows moving up here, right? Holding that trend line, beautiful trade there. All right. Euro Swiss. So Aussie Swiss, Euro Swiss, now pound Swiss. Also, great trade going here with pound Swiss. Buy signal here, all green candles, holding firm, hugging that trend line, right? Right at resistance. So we just need to get past resistance here. So here we've got resistance. This is where sellers came in before. And then here we are. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Welcome, Anthony. And then we need to get past this resistance here. All right. So good price action, good trade going here in Forex Dominator. If it can break through this resistance right here, guys, shouldn't have a big issue getting all the way up here. All right. So good trade. Good trade there. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand. Buy signal here, right? This is a range trade, all right? So we need to get breakthrough resistance right here. So good price action. Looks like it will break through resistance right here. If it gets past that resistance, then we can move it up here, all right? And then perhaps up here. So the goal right now is to get past resistance right here. This is where buyers failed before. Here, here, and here. So we want to make sure we can get past that resistance. Okay. All right. That's Aussie, New Zealand in Monster Scalper. All right. All right. We have some Monster futures. So we haven't looked at Monster futures. I think the last time was Sunday. All right. So let's take a quick look at those. All right. All right, soybeans. All right, that soybean trade guys, it's still holding firm. No, soybean usually does well. Good markdown phase here. Right, we need that price buyers to push that price low higher. We have white candles here, so it's consolidating right here. We just need buyers to come on in and push that price higher. All right, target is up here. Live cattle. Live cattle closed, guys. All right. So live cattle closed. So close that trade, please. It made it to its target, but it did pull back um, um, quite a bit here. Right. Would have been nice if we get a sell signal near this area here. Here was the target right here. Sell signal came in on the breakup support right here. So buy signal was here, sell signal there. So close the trade, please. So that's live cattle. Okay. Gold. Look at gold. All right. I'm surprised by gold. All right. As you guys know, we've talked about gold. Gold has been in a consolidation for a long time. All right. Finally, it's breaking out. Gold is at 22,000. I'm sorry, 2,200, guys. 2,200 on gold. And gold has been around 2,000 in this range here, 2,100 for a long time. Finally, is breaking out. All right, we'll see how long this move lasts. All right, in gold. All right, you guys should notice some of your commodities are moving also. All right, we'll take a look at if we have time, monster ETF. But buy signal here with gold, right? In the futures market, buyers came in heavy here, um, and it gold looks like it wants to break out, guys, for the first time. All right, this is where sellers are sitting right here, right here, right here, and here it is. It's breaking out. So I I'm wrong on gold. I thought we would get a pullback, right? Thought we would get a pullback. That's not happening so far. So we'll see. E-mini S&P. All right, holding firm. Now the market is extended. All right, but that doesn't mean price can't move any higher. All right, so S&P. All right, E-mini buy signal here. All right, all green candles. No complaint. The only concern is that we have a purple support and resistance here. So we know price is overbought, but that doesn't mean can't go higher. All right, so nothing to change there. Crude oil. All right, crude oil buy signal still holding here. Crude oil is right around 79, 78, 79. And the Russell is finally making a move higher, guys. All right, got past sellers, so sellers were here, 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 and here's the Russell. Finally got past all of this consolidation, moving up higher. Now we don't talk about the Russell much as far as the makeup. So Russell, guys, just remember, excuse me, Russell, that's small caps. All right, small cap stocks. Okay, so we could see we haven't had a lot of big moves in stock boss. Stock boss is mainly small caps. All right, so that's the Russell. We've seen more action, all right, in Bullmaster, right? A lot of reaccumulation out of Bullmaster, and that's because of the S&P and the Nasdaq. All right, we've seen some opportunities in the Russell, but not as much as in Bullmaster. All right, so let's take a look at equities. All right, so Stock Boss and Bullmaster right now. We've been trimming positions. I know the market is moving higher, but it's overbought, and we haven't been getting a lot of good opportunities in Stock Boss or Bullmaster. All right, so we will not add any positions this evening, but I want to take a look at see what we've got going on in Hit Seeker for both systems. All right, so Stock Boss, Hit Seeker, let's run it quickly here just to see. All right, so we've got 57 in Stock Boss. That's not a lot. And then in Bullmaster, that doesn't mean we can't trade the 71. All right, so not a lot. I mean, enough to find some opportunities, but they're not buying equities in a big way right now. All right, we saw that earlier in the year and the Christmas rally. Okay, all right, so we'll go through these stocks quickly. White candles we can hold. Red candles close the trade. Sell signal close the trades. Okay, all right, so these are holding. White candles we can hold. All right, hold in. All right, HBI, we're getting past resistance. All right, here, good price action with this stock. Getting past resistance here. Buy signal was here at 457, at 580. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Next target, all the way up here. All right, at $8 and change. So good price action there. Okay. KPTI, that's holding firm right here. All right, that's holding firm. MRVI buy signal here, holding firm. Target is all the way up here. NGM holding, a lot of consolidation right here, though, guys. Okay, so if anyone is trading this, you might just want to close the trade. All right, NKTR buy signal here, trading up nicely. Real. All right, look at real, guys. Breaking resistance here. All right. We've moved that resistance from here to here. Next target all the way up here. Buy signal was at 214, trading at 391. All right, almost 100% so far. Next target all the way up here to $8. All right. No guarantee, guys, it will make it there. So if you're trading it, protect the trade. RIG buy signal here, good markdown phase. All right. Need to get up here. RNA, look at RNA. Good trade going here. Good markdown phase. Buy signal was at 752. Trading at $25. Looking to break through resistance here. All green candles, guys. Good trade. Nothing to do there. We are getting past sellers territory there. Okay. All right. That's holding. All right. Reaccumulation trade in stock boss TALK. Buy signal here, trading up nicely. Unit, keep an eye on unit. Let's close unit. I thought we closed this. All right, that's trading below resistance right here. All right, oh, okay, I remember now. We were hoping for a bounce. So we've had another day without a bounce. So let's close it. And we're getting lower highs, lower lows. All right, it is holding support here. But this is where sellers came in before. Here, 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 and here we are right now. All right, so unit, close that trade, please. UNIT and STKL, that's holding so far right here. All right, so that's stock boss. Let's take a look at Bull Master here. Notice we don't have a lot of stocks, guys. All right, ARHS, good trade going here. Buy signal all the way down here at 939, holding, breaking resistance at 1539, getting past, got past sellers here, getting past sellers there. Okay. All right, that's holding. All right, good trade going there. Coin looks good, guys. Reaccumulation. All right. Hold in. Toll Brothers, nice reaccumulation trade, guys. All right, so new buyers stepping in, pushing the price higher. All right, buy signal here, good price action there. All right, same with KBH. All right, MATV holding, SQ holding, SMG guys. Buy signal here, breaking resistance. This was first target. It is getting past resistance right here. Look at that. Broke out today, getting past this area here. Next target, all the way up here. All right, to 80, 88. Buy signal was at 65. SMG. All right. HIW, guys, and we go through these. Yes, we want to, make sure that we manage these trades properly, but we also want to um, follow this process for our own individual trades. Okay, so HIW, buy signal here, getting ready to break through resistance right here. This is where sellers are sitting. All right, and breaks through. Looks like it will break through. All right, but next target here, purple support and resistance. So keep that in mind. It is a bit overbought. Okay. All right. Nice. Hood, look at that, guys. Great trade on Hood. HOOD. Buy signal right at 13, trading at 20. Look at this, straight up. All right, good trade going here. All right. Now with this, you don't even have to trade the option. You could have traded the underline, right? Inexpensive, $13 and change there. Great trade going here. All right, ESTA holding. Holding. JXN, all right, buy signal here. You guys remember these because of the S&P, because of the Nasdaq, this reaccumulation trade's doing really, really well in Bullmaster. All right, I know they're a bit more expensive, but they're trading fine. All right, perfect. All right, TWD trading nicely, reaccumulation. Um, XPRO. All right, this is almost a range trade, guys. So if we look here, that doesn't mean it can't break out of the range, but we've got support here, right? Resistance, support, resistance, support. Here we are, buy signal heading back up to resistance. So we get to this area here, right? Just pay attention. Start getting wide candles, might have to close the trade. Okay. And this is not a bad setup here. All right, a decent markdown phase here, actually gap down too. Buy signal here looks good. Good price action to get all the way back up here. All right, WWW. Okay. All right, good trade going here. All right, MU, that's a reaccumulation. All right, buy signal here, nice gap up, moving up nicely. All right, MU. And CLS, great trade going here. Buy signal here. Look at the previous trades, guys. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here, holding firm CLS. And the last one, Kavana. That's also reaccumulation. Yeah. All right. Buy signal was right here, right here. All right. Buy signal right here, holding firm. Okay. All right. On Sunday, actually next Monday, we'll look at adding, depending on how the trades look. If you add stocks, guys, right now it has to be perfect. Okay. So we want to be closing, taking profits as the market is making all-time highs. Staying in, but looking to take profits on the weaker stocks. This market can come down pretty quickly. Okay, we know that we are very overbought. All right, very overbought. So, and we can tell that by heat seeker also. Okay, we're getting fewer stocks. We haven't been over 100 stocks in heat seeker. All right, so if sellers come in heavy, right, we're not fully right invested in equities. Okay. All right. Monster scalper. Let's go through, see if we can find some opportunities in monster scalper. While we're doing that, US 30 or US 30 traders, that buy signal is still holding. All right, on the 60 minutes, still holding. All right, we do have a purple support and resistance here. It's still holding. So if any of our US 30 traders are trading this, I I would keep an eye here. We could get a sell signal overnight or in the tomorrow to close the trade. But hopefully, right, we get buyers to continue to push the price up. All right. So if you're in this on the 60-minute, just hold firm. Right, no concern yet, but just know this is an area here. Daily time frame, solid. All right, solid right here. So, all right. Oh, those of our US 30 traders that trade on a smaller time frame, just trade accordingly. Trade accordingly. All right. So monster scalper and then forex dominator, and then we'll be done for the evening. All right. Now, we've had some consolidation, right? Things are trying to open up a bit. All right, in Forex. You guys can see here. All right. So I think we were all the way up here, right? We only had these few pairs in yellow. All right. All the rest in red. So we're starting to see some volatility come in. All right. Pay attention to no, we don't have a rotation, but we are getting selling coming in here. All right. So pay attention to that. All right. Um, so Aussie, I think here is Aussie dollar. All right. Let's look for shorts. Um, one second. All right. So shorts. Um, very no. This short here, we would need to take this short. We do have a sell short signal, okay, but to take this short, guys, hold on. All right, we would have to get past support here. All right, so I would keep an eye on Aussie dollar. If you're looking for some shorts, Aussie dollar sell short signal is here. All right, sell short signal is here. We'll add this, but just no, this is the inverse. So Aussie AUD USD. Okay, but I would wait that short in Monster Scalper, but I would wait for it to get past this area here. All right. So currently, here's a sell short signal. Price retraced a bit. So if we can get back down in this area and hopefully break through that support line, that will be an area to enter. Okay. So Aussie dollar, and you guys notice here, right? We got red coming in. So sellers are coming in here. That's what we want. All right. We want sellers coming in here, right? Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs, and then buying coming in here. And that's what's happening. All right, it's starting. All right, so Aussie dollar short, New Zealand dollar, wait, that's long. All right, Aussie, Swiss. All right, we need we need red candles, sell short signal. So wait on that. Aussie CAD, we're going to add Aussie CAD also. Sell short signal is here, and we are breaking support. All right, so we're breaking support. Let's bring that right around in here. Support here, not very defined. Okay, and let's see here. All right, sell short signal here, breaking support right here. So Aussie, so we have Aussie dollar and Aussie CAD short in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. New Zealand dollar, we're in this short already. All right. Sell short signal here. So we're in this one already. Let's bring in a support line. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Support, resistance, broke support, sell short signal moving down nicely there. All right. So that's dollar, New Zealand dollar. That's the inverse of the dollar pairs. New Zealand Swiss, wait. All right. Wait for a sell short signal to come in. Sellers are coming in. We've got red candles. Just wait for your sell short signal. Okay. And resistance is up here. All right. So we might hopefully get a rotation. Finally get a decent rotation. We'll see. New Zealand CAD already broke out. All right. So sell short signal here. Look at this trade, guys. New Zealand CAD. All right. So hopefully we've got a move happening here. All right. All right. Sell short signal is here. Broke support. Look at all sellers. Sellers are in control. Good price action here. All right. That's New Zealand CAD. All right. If you miss this trade, all right, go into your time frames. All right. Bring into your smaller time frames here. All right, our monster scalper traders. Okay, look at the trend here. Look at the overall trend. So find a time frame to enter. Okay. All right, good price action here. The yen pair is short now. Yen pair is short. ZAR yen, nothing there. Dollar yen, nothing there yet. TRY, JPY, just wait for a sell short signal. Okay. So just make a note of TRY, JPY. It will, it will give you some decent shorts. Yeah. So we're just waiting for a sell short signal on that one. SGD, JPY. Let's bring that up here. We're going to call that, but wait for a red candle here. Okay, so just make a note. All right, we have a sell short signal. We just need, it's retraced here. We just need red candle. So we're going to call it, but just wait for a red candle on the 240. SGD JPY short in monster scalper. Okay. And then target, if it breaks through, target, first target down. I would say this area right here first. Okay. NZD JPY. All right. We're going to call that sell short signal is here, holding firm, first target down here. All right. So SGD, I'm sorry, NZD JPY. Short in monster scalper. Okay. HKD JPY, nothing here yet, but this is one to pay attention to. It's high up in the markup phase, guys. All right. So if it red candles come in, sell short signal come in, look at that. Look at that potential. And we've got smooth price action, right? Smooth price action. So it could come back down smoothly. Pound yen, nothing yet. Euro yen, sell short signal is here. We'll add this one. All right. So euro, EUR, JPY. You guys see what's happening? Should not be a surprise if this breaks out. Okay. Sell short signal is here. Red candles. Target, first target down here. Second target, if it makes it all the way down here. All right. All right. These were the shorts that yen shorts that Thailand did really well a while back. Swiss yen. Oh boy, very choppy in here. This is the one that we're in. We just need sellers to come back in. Support is down here. And so we called this, I think, a couple of days ago. So it's pullback. All right. So we need sellers to come back down, red candles. All right. And we've got pretty, if it can break support here, I mean, it could move down quickly. Look what it did here before. What it did here before. Really moved down quickly here. All right, look at that. So spike down. So we just need sellers to come back in. Red candles here. Okay. Swiss yen. CAD yen, just wait on CAD yen. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen, we are going to call it, but wait for sellers to come back in right here, right? White candles are here. See right here? All right. So what we would like to see, right? So white candle, red candle. White candles, red candles. We got white candles here. We need red candles. Sellers to come back down, move the price down here. If green candles come in, just don't take the trade. So we're gonna call it, but wait on a red candle. Wait on a red candle. So for entry, Aussie yen short in monster scalper, but wait for red candle. All right. All right. Dollar longs. Look for dollar longs, euro longs. All right. and possibly pound longs. Okay. Forex dominator. Forex dominator. So we've got some long opportunities in Forex dominator. All right. And mainly in the dollar pair. So we'll go through these and then we'll be done. Okay. So USD, I took a look at these earlier. So USD CNH, where is it? Right here. So USD CNH, we know what's going on with the dollar. All right. Are we waiting for a buy signal on the dollar index? Okay, so we know what's setting up, right? So markdown phase, markup. The first buy signal failed in the markup. So let's call this reaccumulation here. So we got a second opportunity on a break of resistance here. Okay, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, need to get to resistance here. If we can get to resistance here, all right, we can move higher. All right, so buy signal here and decent price action. All right, perfect support and resistance. So keep that in mind. All right, but the goal is to get to resistance here and then break out. Okay, if we wait until it gets to this area, it's too late. So we've got to take the risk, get in early. All right. Just know it's high in the markup phase. Okay. But that doesn't mean it can't break out. All right. And we have the dollar index on our side. USD CNH. Okay. USD CNH long in Forex dominator. USD NOK. USD NOK. All right. Well, it looks like a lot's going on here. All right. Support is down here. Look what price did before. Bought here, went all the way up here. All right. Look at this. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support. And here we are. Buy signal here. Dollar pair, buy signal here. We're looking to break through resistance here. So USD NOK. If it breaks through, we can perhaps get move higher. But sellers are sitting here. All right. Keep that in mind. USD NOK long in Forex dominator. All right. So USD CNH, USD NOK, and now USD SEK. Let's take a look at that one. USD SEK right here. Okay. So here's your markdown phase here. Nice solid buy signal in USD SEK. Remember, this is in Forex dominator. All right. Daily time frame. All right, buy signal here. This is where the previous buy signal failed, guys, right here. All right, but we're getting past that area here. Buy signal here. Target, first target, all the way up here. And these are dollar pairs. Again, if we get a buy signal on that dollar index, if it breaks through, that will help. These dollar pairs in Forex dominator. Sellers are here. This is where sellers have been getting aggressive right here. Look at that. All that selling here. Okay, so we get up to this area, boy, you want to pay attention. All right, look at that. All of that selling here. They love to push that price back down there. USD SEK. And then we've got three more. New Zealand, the Kiwi pairs. All right. So New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, inverse, Euro New Zealand right here. All right, buy signal here, still good to get in. And what we're doing here is we're trading a breakout. All right, so we got support here, and price got squeezed, and we're just trading that right here. So breakout right here, broke up resistance right here, buy signal. I know it's gone a little bit here, guys, but this is Forex dominator, right? We know it can move much higher. All right. So buy signal here, EUR So we're seeing a move in the Kiwi, but the inverse, okay? Inverse. All right. And EURSEK. EURSEK right here. All right. All right. Good markdown phase. Look at this. And we did miss some trades in Forex Dominator. We haven't paid a lot of attention, so we've missed a few euro pairs. So we don't want to do that. Buy signal here, it's gone a little bit. So, if you want to look for opportunities in smaller time frames, you certainly can. But that doesn't mean it can't move higher. All right. Broke resistance right here. All right. It looks good to get all the way up here. Okay. Right. This is support right here. It's gotten past previous support right here. All right. I don't see anything blocking it until it gets up here. Okay. So if you want to wait for a pullback, you might get a pullback. Okay. But good setup. EURSEK. And then the last one, pound New Zealand. We looked at Euro New Zealand right here, right? You guys saw that. Now pound New Zealand. All right. Also breaking out. All right. No, that's breaking out of a really nice resistance. Look at that. All right. And look at the previous trades, guys, on here. Bought here, sold here. Look at the price action. Bought here, sold here. All right. Bought here. This was a loss, but bought here, buy signal here, and it's getting past sellers right here. Okay. Pound New Zealand. So we've got some opportunities in both Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. Price action volatility is about the same. Okay, so you guys see here, volatility is about the same in Forex Dominator. All right, so, all right, guys, that's all I've got. Keep an eye on the dollar index. All right, we'll watch it. Hopefully, we get a buy signal overnight. That will really help the dollar pairs. That will also help a rotation. That will help us. The dollar pair, the dollar index, guys, when we get movement in the dollar index, that will really help rotations. All right. When the dollar index is consolidating like this, Forex will tend to consolidate. But when we either long or short like these, long moves, short moves in the dollar index, then we'll get rotations. Okay. Just remember that in the pairs, in Monster Scalper in particular, and Forex Dominator. Okay, so we need the dollar index to break out to really see Forex start to move. Okay, but that doesn't help the equity markets. If the dollar moves higher, right, we'll see equities come down. Quite honestly, we need that. All right, we need to see the dollar move up, push higher, so that we see some selling. We need a correction in equities so that we can take all those profits. All right, we need the market to come down. All right, sell off. Forex will move if the market starts to come down. Right, we have a correction in equities. All right, so we'll see Forex move, equities come down, and then we can get back in equities later at a cheaper price. All right, that's the way the game is played. So we do need the dollar index to break out here. All right, get Forex to move. All right, equities come down, and then we can buy back. Notice that we're not getting a lot of opportunities even with the markets, equities making new highs. All right, there isn't a lot of new opportunities. All the buying has been done already. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys. All right. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys on Sunday, and beginning traders on Saturday, and our roundtable tomorrow. All right, guys. Take care. Thanks for coming. Have a good evening. Take care.